Hey guys, it's me Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna unbox 3 items, affordable fashion and luxury fashion, and whatever I bought today, everything was on sale. So this is a shopping haul or sale shopping haul, whatever you say, and I'm gonna share my experience with you because I saved a lot of money. Of course I feel good, and also unbox and review those items. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So guys, my very first item is this. This is a Burberry Sandringham short trench coat for men. Yeah, this is a men's item. With due respect to my male audiences, I am unboxing this. So I bought this for my husband and I thought that you can have some idea before you buy your trench coat. They come in 2 different colors. One is black and another is the tan. This has a button in one row, buttons in this row, and they come with this belt. So you can wear it in so many ways. You can wear it with a formal outfit, we can wear it with jeans, you can wear this however you like. And this is a straight streamline, so you can wear it in so many ways. It looks so good. There is a hook here, so I believe that is to make the collar look nice, and also that's gonna keep you warm. Let's open the buttons. And this is also in classic style, so it's not gonna go out of fashion. And I'm gonna open the button to show you the full view of it. And the inner part is the signature Burberry check design. They have a nice chain here to hang the coat, and 2 pockets to the both side, and it says the style here. I'll take it closer so you can see. It says the style here, made in England. In American size, my husband is 42L or 44R. So for Burberry, I had to buy 54. So I bought this in size 54. If you are size 42L or 44R, then I would recommend you to go for this size 54 because that's gonna fit you properly. And here I can see they have like British Royal sign here, and also it comes with extra button, I guess. You can wear it in different ways. You can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this, and it also comes with this belt, so you can tie your belt. So you can see the royal signs here. So Burberry used to make clothes for the royal family, and maybe that's why they have the royal signs here. So in 1890s, they used to make these coats for sports persons and for the soldiers because they are waterproof. And later on, they became a fashion. It keeps you warm, but at the same time it is not heavy, it is light, so you will really feel comfortable. My husband tried this on, but I could not film it because he's a cam shy guy. The regular price for this trench coat is $1,790, but I bought this on sale from Burberry, so they were $1,139, so I saved $651. Yes, and I felt so good because I could buy this item, and at the same time I saved a lot of money, so I feel so good. And I also wanted to buy one for me, but they didn't have my size. So this is a perfect trench coat. So if you want to invest on a trench coat which is high-end and at the same time you want to feel warm and you want to look cool, then you should get a Burberry trench coat. So one little tip for you guys: if you don't want to invest your money on a trench coat, then you can get affordable trench coats too. You can get J. Crew trench coat, London Fog trench coat, and Sam Edelman trench coat too. They're also good, and also Banana Republic. They're also good according to their price point. So this is Eyeglasses, which is a reading glasses. I saved money buying this. I don't wear glasses, but I bought this for my husband, and that was on sale too. I want to show you how it looks like. So it looks like this. Maybe this is called half frame, and this is in color burgundy, and you see the logo in here. and it feels really light. He just tried this on and it looks good. So the regular price for these glasses are $130, but I paid $95 for this particular color. You can also get this with $75 from Designer Optics. You can get this in different colors. I will give the link in description box so you can check and you can get it if you wear glasses. One thing I'd like to mention that the glasses that they provided, they are not prescription glasses, so you have to buy your power glasses separately. Probably that would be another $150, but I saved money and I feel good about it. So my next purchase is this. This is for me. This is Sophia Webster sneakers. I was waiting for these for a long time and finally I got them on sale. I have Sophia Webster's Kiara sandals, the high heels, and they were so good. I wanted a pair of sneakers too because they look so girly, so beautiful. So let's unbox. Sophia Webster collabed with Puma and they came up with these sneakers. I paid $98 for the sneakers. So they used to be $130, but I got them on sale. So let's open the box. So the box opens up like this and they have the Puma sign and also Sophia Webster. So guys, this is the Sophia Webster sneaker. This is so beautiful. I saw them online and they looked pretty, but in person more pretty. Look at this. So there are three little roses, pink roses with petals and neon like design, and these laces are glittery too. So the flowers are to the outer part and to the inner part it is just this neon orange design, and they designed it really nicely because the outer part they used it for lace and it looks so good. So online the lace looked like they're black and white, but they're actually shimmery laces. So it looks like this, and there is a Puma sign here, and to this and inside you can see Puma, Sophia Webster, and here it says Sophia Webster, Puma. So this is not leather, this is this is cloth. This looks good, and the bottom looks like this. This is so colorful, right? So beautiful. I'm really excited, and I like this black and white gradient. There is a glittery portion here to the front, and I think this matches this. That's why they have this, but I doubt how long this is gonna last. So I'm gonna try these beautiful shoes on and tell you my thoughts about these shoes. So I tried them on and they look so beautiful and they look so girly and comfortable too. I want to share my honest opinion with you. That is, this design, this is so beautiful, but it's gonna be hard to clean this because there are like so many, you know, corners, so it's gonna be hard to clean this, and I am doubted about this front glittery portion. They are true to size. You don't have to size up. Like for Sophia Webster, you have to go half a size bigger than your actual size. That's what I suggested on my first video, but for this one you don't have to do that. They're true to size. I tried these shoes and they look and they feel comfortable, but for these shoes my only concern is the longevity. I don't know how long they're gonna look good, if they're gonna look good after wash. And they designed it really nicely because the outer part they used it for lace and it looks so good. So guys, that's all for today. I'm so happy sharing this unboxing video with you and sharing my first impression and a little review on these items. So I hope you like it, and if you want to buy these items, I'm gonna give this link to my description box, so don't forget to check if you want to buy these items and save money like me. And if you like my video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.